off to Epcot this morning. We've got paid Lightning Lane for Guardians of the Galaxy.
Woo!
And we've got Genie Plus Lightning Lane for Frozen Ever After.
Which we've never done either of them.
Yeah, so Frozen will be first, and then we've got Guardians afterwards. So we'll probably make our way over shortly after we've had our cookies. So yeah, we'll catch up with you when we're back in Epcot. Alright, see you in a bit.
Bye. Daisy's out here meeting people. Oh, Minnie's out meeting people too.
Absolutely. That smile.
She has quite a big queue.
He offered her
Beauty and the Beast. Oh yeah. There's Lumiere and Cogsworth over there as well.
Yeah.
Ah, Lumiere! They look so cool.
Yeah, it's so good, isn't it?
Just wanna proper like they obviously get watered and stuff.
Yeah.
That's so cool. I wanted Lumiere and thingy.
It's there, isn't it? I was trying to remember if it was down there or...
Yeah. Or the Beauty and the Beast sing-alongs in 6 minutes.
Let's do that if you want.
That's the mirror. That's the look at it. See? Right here. That's the old Beauty and the Beast. You're gonna go up there. Uh-huh. Wanna take a picture? I'm Melanie. Yeah, right off to the side. Right, one you stand down. Yep. One stand over the other. More, so I can get comfortable.
I like her staff. And her outfit's pretty cool. Oh, I never noticed it's like animal, it's like bird nose. La 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 la. Needs a haircut.
Yeah.
So off to work we go in the morning.
Got water?
That wasn't part of the deal.
Watch your step.
Oh no, that is not a good sign. Right at the front. Smoky. Oh no. Hey.
Hey everyone.
So we're walking through. Are we still in Norway?
Yeah.
Yeah. Walking through Norway. So we did the Beauty and the Beast sing along. For some reason I thought it was like it's going to be people, not just a screen, like a cinema. So I don't know why I thought that, but it was fine. It was good. I wish they'd done like the songs a bit longer. They literally did like half of each song, which was kind of annoying. But other than that, it was fine. And then we just did Frozen, which we've never done before.
Got wet.
Yeah, I didn't realise he got wet. Like, look at his. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, he got wet there. Show him my back.
Yeah.
I got a wet butt. We didn't realise you would even get wet on it. I mean, I knew it was a water ride, but I didn't think you would get wet on it for some reason. Oh look, Donald's over there. Hat on.
Mexico.
Well, I thought it was a Mexican hat, but I didn't want to say Mexican hat and then be wrong. So
We're in Mexico.
So yeah, now we're going to go. It's our lightning lane time for Guardians of the Galaxy, which we've obviously never done before either. So we're going to do that now. I'm probably not going to film on it, but we'll let you know which song we get. I really want September, so pray for me that we get September. If we get something really annoying, like one way or another, I think I'll cry. So I need September. But yeah, we'll let you know afterwards which song we got. So see you after that. The Three Caballeros. Not actually sure what the names are. I think one of them's Jose, and then Donald's obviously one, but I forget the other one's name.
Ratatouille is 55 minutes and Genie Pass is about 6 tonight.
Oh, guess not then. cute.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. There we go. Wonders of Xandar. Ooh, it's cold.
AB, which Peter Quill said is observe suns. Observe gather in the sky, giving it a familiar Terran night and day cycle.
Hey, right, we just got off Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh my god, unbelievable.
Oh,
like,
honestly, so good.
Number one on my list now. Number one on my list.
And we got the song we wanted, we got September, yes. I was so happy when it started playing, I was like...
Yeah, so good.
It was so good. Like, we were a bit worried we'd feel sick, but I feel alright. Do you feel alright?
Yeah, I feel fine.
Yeah.
I think if you concentrate too much on, like, what's...
Yeah, because there is
like, you
screens
obviously
and
want
you're
to see what's
spinning
going
and
on,
stuff.
but like, if you're trying to concentrate too much on fixed points, I think,
Yeah.
then that's when you might get the motion sickness, but
Yeah, but
generally, yeah, it's so smooth as well.
It's really smooth, yeah, like the actual like spinning and seeing things and oh, it's so good. But yeah, literally as soon as like we got the music for September, like we were like
Anyone that comes has to do it.
Yeah.
Has to do it.
yeah, we paid
Like,
for a lightning lane.
Yeah, it was
It's
15
worth it.
dollars each this morning.
I'd probably
so-
pay like do it again like right now. It was so good. Oh, I really like, you know when you get off a ride and you're like, oh.
Adrenaline is flowing. It's good.
Yeah, because it was very fast as well, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Fast,
And there were some bits
spinny,
that were backwards. So I wasn't expecting it to be that fast backwards as well. It was really fast. I was like, whoa. But yeah, it was so good. You need to do it. Everyone needs to do it. It was amazing.
Absolutely. Best ride at Disney World.
Yeah, so good. We're just going to try and get a photo pass in front of that thing, Star Blast, whatever it is, Star Blaster, something like that. And then we might have a sit down because I'm tired and it's really hot. So yeah.
We're meant to have soaring. We did have soaring, but
Yeah, we've still got like 35 minutes left.
yeah. Depends how long we're taking the queue.
We're only going to get some like ice water because we've got a reservation at Rainforest Cafe at 1:15. So yeah. But yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna get a photo pass.
See you in the next bit.
Ready? Let's do it!
So we just did Soarin'. There's a light there. And now we're just standing near the minivan, waiting for a minivan because we need to go straight to Animal Kingdom because we've got a reservation at Rainforest Cafe, and we're going to be late if we go back to a hotel and then
If this
get a bus.
arrives on time, like it says, it should get us to Animal Kingdom for 18 minutes past 1.
Yeah.
Well,
so-
our reservation's at 1:15, so it should be just a walk because it's at the beginning of the park.
Yeah, so hopefully.
So
it'll be
hopefully we'll
fine.
only be sort of 5 minutes late.
Yeah. But the queue for Soarin', we had a lightning lane, but it's just the waiting in the lightning lane that took some time. I'll show you guys the inside of a minivan. Connected by Lyft, so we booked it through the Lyft app as well, in case anyone needs to know. It's quite expensive, but hopefully it will get us there on time and we won't be late. Here it is. Okay. Oh, thanks. Thank you.
You like to adjust the temperature in here.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Quite quiet today. How was Epcot?
Pretty quiet.
Pretty
to be fair.
quiet. It seemed to get a little bit.
Looks like a bum crack. Dory!
I'm right here. Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome Tony to bar 2. Tony to bar 2.
Sorry. So we're in the Rainforest Cafe. They did let us in, obviously, that's why we're here. Just got our 2 Diet Cokes. We're looking at the menu. Try and quickly show you guys the menu. I'm going to have shrimp sample platter. And Todd's going to have fish and chips. Yeah. We're sitting right next to some gorillas. Gorilla. Just got the, you know, we don't talk about Bruno. When she's like, they're singing the song. What does she say? She's like, there's a cloud in the sky, and he's like, no clouds allowed in the sky. And then she's like, oh yeah, Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin. Thunder! Waiting for the food still, and it's not in focus. There we go. Yeah, waiting for the food still, so I'll show you when it gets here.
Hungry.
Shall I show them on the vlog the really bad photo?
No.
Oh, come on.
This photo's awful.
Yeah.
The worst photo.
Right, well, if you follow us on Instagram, I've been showing some of the roller coaster photos of me, and they are literally the worst photos you've ever seen in your life. But the one on Cosmic Rewind is the epitome of bad roller coaster photos, and I don't think anyone could get worse. So I'll quickly show you now on the vlog. What is that? It's so bad. Oh, it's terrible. So yeah, surprisingly I'm not actually going to post that one on social media, so that's the one and only time you're ever going to see that photo.
Any time on YouTube for the rest of our life. It'll be on YouTube forever, but we won't post it on Instagram.
Yeah. Just come out of Rainforest Cafe. Thoughts?
Yeah, good. Like, but not like. I wouldn't go that way.
We've had it before when we came.
I've had it better.
Yeah. The menu's definitely changed since the last time we came, because the thing I had for the other time we came wasn't on the menu, which is what I wanted. The shrimp thing was fine. I don't know, it was okay. The fish that we had at the Frying Dutchman in Universal, it was similar because it was like coconut, like not batter, but that sort of coating. But yeah, that was the best thing on the plate that I had anyway. And then the other prawns were a little bit like overdone, they're a bit chewy, but it's fine. And then obviously he ordered scampi, and that wasn't really scampi, it was literally just like garlic prawns.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Weren't even like, yeah.
Yeah,
It weren't scampi like you see scampi in the UK.
No, so I don't know why they called it scampi, because it's not really scampi. I mean, we could have just read the menu wrong, but I'm pretty sure it said scampi. So we thought, you know, it'd be like bad.
Yeah, and it didn't really give a description other than like
so he didn't obviously eat that, so I ate that, but I already had that on my plate, so I got like 2 lots of that. But that small thing in the middle of the table that we had was $9.99 on its own.
Yeah.
And there was like 4 prawns in it, so that's really expensive, I think, for what it is.
I'm gonna be honest, if you want theming as part of it and you're not too worried about the food's nice but it's expensive, then go for it. If you're looking for value for money, go somewhere else.
Yeah, but it was fine. I don't think we'd probably wouldn't go again.
No, we've done it a few times. Plus there's the UK version, which is called something different now. Something Cave, is it?
Jungle Cave.
It's not Jungle Cave, it's...
I thought it was Jungle Cave.
I don't know, something like
Pretty
that.
sure it's Jungle Cave.
Yeah.
I'll put the name in it if I find it, but I'm pretty sure it's Jungle Cave.
Yeah, you're probably right. Which is exactly the same thing. It used to be called Rainforest Cafe, but the theming and everything is exactly the same still as it was before.
I'm gonna try and go in Dinosaur now when we get there. Just gotta walk there now, so we'll see you on Dinosaur. Just walking past Riverside Depot and saw these. They're so cute. Got little Simba and Nala. And the same on the back. Ah, they're so cute. Love them.
Definitely not our day.
Yeah, what were you gonna say before?
We're not gonna make it.
We made it.
Those that know, know.
Yeah.
Right, so the first time we came here, I was always like a theme park, like wimp, big time.
Yeah.
Like, and this was. I haven't got one. Yeah, it's. This was what, the first ride we went on?
No, we went Avatar first.
Second ride.
Went on Flight of Passage first.
And I'm going along and they're going, I hate you.
He literally was he was looking at me, and as soon as it started moving, he went, I hate you! Ah! And then, yeah. It's been a running joke ever since. That anytime we go on this ride, we just go, I hate you!
Yeah, but now I've sort of braved up a bit.
Yeah, because he wouldn't even go on Everest like the first time we came. Thank you.
Since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How?
So some phone cases. Yeah, that's cute. And this 25. That's my old one.
Yes,
yeah.
That's one.
Ah, that one's got kitties on it. Cute.
Like Christmas ornaments.
Ornaments. That's nice though, I like that.
Yeah.
That's nice as well. Be wild and free. And there's an Animal Kingdom one. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so we just come off Dinosaur.
Love that ride. Just love that ride.
It's so good.
So aggressive.
It's just funny, the dude like speaking the whole time. And he's just like, you're not gonna make it! You're not gonna make it! And it's like, you made it!
Yeah.
So funny.
Good ride.
Yeah. He is moving pretty quick. He's moving quicker than my camera zoom. Is it an apple? What? What are you going to say?
So I think we can go around this way.
Hey guys, back in the room now. Gonna end the vlog here because we've come back from Animal Kingdom. We did Dinosaur, and my feet really started to hurt and I couldn't walk much more, to be honest, so we just come back to the room. The noise in the background, the water, if you can hear it, is just the bath running. It's not Todd peeing or anything. Well, it's not really a bath, it's just like cold water for my feet. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you got this far, give us a like, comment, and subscribe for next week's vlog. So yeah, turn your notification bell on and you should get notified when that comes up. I'm going to try and do it every Sunday, so hopefully it will be on Sunday. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.